This is the chicken coop. I've just managed to make it, and I just want to start with 500 birds. Just want to start small as I run the ropes. This is the structure. I've managed to finish the structure. I've also made the brooder. Yeah, this is the place that the birds will be housed. I've improvised the brooder with the local materials. You can see I've used the boards, gunias, just the stuff that I could get hold of from within. Then I ensured I have the brooder is set. Yesterday I was making the brooder. I have put some infrared bulbs. I also got just a simple thermometer for checking the brooder temperature. I want to ensure the chicks get the right temperature, but my fear would be that the size, I feel the size of the brooder is quite small, but I will adjust when the chicks set in. So these are functional. I also intend to have a meko to supplement to kick in when the power we face power disruptions. Yeah. So what is remaining is disinfecting the press. Yeah, I have a small daughter here who like following me. Disinfect the press, and the press will be ready. Will be ready for the chicks. All right. I will need to keep to track the progress of the project. Thank you.